Welcome back, everybody. Down here on vacation in the beautiful Smoky Mountains of Tennessee. Look, we went to Dollywood today, having a blast. Whew, but we are sweating. And what's easy to make when you're out on vacation with your family or you're camping, you're traveling, you don't have a lot of time? The Colorado Cajun, of course. You know it, it's one of my famous recipes. But today, we have to rename it. We're not gonna do anything differently, but we're gonna call it the Tennessee Cajun. Whoa! First things first, fresh garlic. And these are really big cloves. No complaints there. I love garlic. And the bigger, the better. Chop the garlic up into small pieces. We have the Blackstone 28-inch griddle. Perfect for vacation. We have a big family. We have 8 people. So at home, we're a 36-inch griddle family or a 44-inch Blackstone family. But when I'm traveling, I like the 28. We're down really low, and this thing is blazing hot. So I'm actually going to turn one burner off for now. That's the benefit of having more than one burner. I'll crank that back up later, but we're going to start with one on low. Avocado oil down on the griddle top. Down with my fresh garlic. Going to start to burn instantly, so I'll move that off to the edge. Raging Cajun andouille smoked sausage, pre-cooked. Down with the sausage. I like to slice my andouille in half like that, and then cut little pieces. Avocado oil, down with bell pepper. We're doing red bell pepper. They call this the Cajun Trinity. So onion, celery, and bell pepper. I'm mixing that greasy sausage right in with my veggies. We're gonna need that. We're gonna need all the oil to saute the veggies. I love the Ben's, the Uncle Ben's ready rice. For this recipe, I'll switch it up, but today we're gonna do jasmine. Just a nice contrast. White rice. I'll just put a little bit of avocado oil in there. Picked up some cayenne pepper at the grocery store. Of course, cayenne pepper, the #1 ingredient in all Cajun seasoning. A little bit of cayenne down on the rice. A little bit of black pepper as well. We're gonna go light today because not everybody likes the heat here. And some Himalayan pink salt. There's nothing magical about Himalayan pink salt. It's just what I picked up at the market in town. A little bit of Himalayan pink salt. Gonna go back to high heat. Made the Colorado Cajun all over the country. Probably at least 20, 25 states or more. It's a favorite, but we don't make it at home very much. I'm telling you what, I need to start making it at home. Smells absolutely outstanding. And if you want it really hot, if you're a person that likes the blazing hot temperatures, we'll add hot sauce later. We'll add a cayenne hot sauce. So we'll go light with the hot sauce, and then we can let everybody put a little extra on there if they want. Beautiful color on the rice. It's starting to cook. Veggies are looking outstanding. Crispy outside on the rice. The rice is looking good. Look at that beautiful, beautiful sticky rice. Rice straight into the mix. This is where the magic happens. Grab one of my secret ingredients, the heavy whipping cream. Not just any heavy whipping cream, it's the heaviest whipping cream in Tennessee. It's like 187 pounds. Heavy whipping cream is the big difference maker. And you wouldn't believe what I went through to get lemons. I forgot them in Pigeon Forge. I had to stop at a restaurant and buy a couple lemons. I'm gonna squeeze these through my fingers so I don't get seeds in there. My original inspiration for that was when you do a Cajun shrimp boil, they always have lemon. So why not put a little lemon juice in there? Louisiana with garlic. Garlic lovers? You know how much I love garlic. We're gonna go light on the Cajun hot sauce and mix it up. See, everything looks really good. I like curly parsley, not the flat for the Cajun. A little bit of curly parsley. A little bit of parsley down in my Cajun. One last mix. You can see the color is absolutely outstanding. Move the Cajun down to the end of my griddle top. I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. One last dusting of the parsley. I always like to put just a little kiss on the lemon for a sharp contrast. And take a look at that. Griddle is looking crazy, right? A lot of first timers might say, what do I do? What do I do? Grab a griddle scraper, clean off your spatulas, seasoned it early in the week, and we've cooked on this thing probably 6-7 times at least. You can see it's pretty much non-stick. So we're gonna scrape all that gunk, all that residue back here into my grease cup. Grab some quicker picker upper. Watch your hands, you don't want to burn yourself. I've been doing this a long time. I prefer to use my bare hands, but you might want to use heat-resistant gloves or tongs. Grab your paper towels or your cotton rag with that. I should also mention that I typically leave my griddle top on high or medium high. Grease solidifies, a lot easier to clean your griddle top when it's hot. Grab whatever cooking oil you have on hand. Today it's the avocado oil, which has pretty much been my go-to the last year or so. Use avocado oil 90% of the time, and then extra virgin olive oil the other 10%. Let's give it a try. That brand of sausage, whatever it was, that's a very hot andouille. Way more hot than Hillshire. Wow. That rice, killer tonight. Must be that Smoky Mountain humidity. Colorado Cajun, the Tennessee Cajun. I think I already have this recipe up at blackstoneproducts.com. I'll double check. If it's not there, we'll make sure it's up there for you. Thanks for watching, everybody. I sure had a blast. Hopefully you enjoyed coming along on a few of our cooks here in Tennessee. It's been an absolute blast. Make sure you're watching all my friends on the Blackstone Network because we have a lot of shows. And until next time, this is Todd from the beautiful Smoky Mountains. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the Tennessee Cajun. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. I'm sweating so much here. Where we live on the Front Range of Colorado, we have very little humidity, like such low humidity. It's so dry, it's a high desert. Anyways, had to stop for a few sweat breaks.